guys, welcome back to another video of 30 Days CAD Challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make model 13. The learning outcome that you would get from this video are how to use extruded boss base feature and fillet feature. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's start. Go on to new part and OK. Change the dimension to mmgs. First of all, we would sketch this whole part, this base part of this model. Plane sketch. Okay. Take a center line. Okay. Now make this length of 24 and this also of 34. Okay. Make it over here. So over here, trim the remaining entities. Okay. Now give a fillet of R9. Okay. R9. Okay. Now make a line over here. Dimension 36. Okay. Great. Okay. Okay. Here also give fillet. Okay. Now make circle in between of 16 dial. Click this circle, give them equal and give them 16 dial. Okay. Now go to feature extruded boss base and make it of thickness 9 mm. Okay. Okay. Till here our part is ready. Okay. Now exit. Now we would make this part over here Go on to sketch, normal to incident, center point arc, entities, this 50 mm. Okay, now make a circle in between. Now 69. Okay, now should boss base, mirror direction 9 mm thickness. Okay, okay. Now these two are left. Go over here, sketch, normal to. Now center point arc, trim the entities, dimension it. Okay, now make a circle in between 16 mm. Okay, give it a extrude off behind, extrude off 9 mm, 9 mm thickness. Okay, now we would go over here on plane, select this plane, reverse, click on flip offset. This whole length is 48 mm. Make the plane in between. Okay, now go to mirror, select this boss hole, go to mirror and select this plane. Yeah. Press on the plane, hide, and here our model is complete. So our model 13 is complete. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch, and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.